Ollama Review, the best local AI tool, this year edition. Hey AI lovers, Ollama's making waves in this for running AI models locally. Just tested it for speed, ease, and features to see if it's the best. In 2 minutes, I'll break it down. Let's go. What is Ollama? Ollama is a free open source tool to run large language models, like Llama 3.1 or Mistral on your own machine. It's private, cloud-free, and perfect for coders or privacy fans. Setup and performance. Setup's a snap, curl a command on Mac or Linux. Windows needs WSL. Pull a model like Llama 3.1 AB, and it runs in seconds with GPU support. On my 16 GB MacBook, inference is fast, using 6 GB RAM for smaller models. Key features. Ollama's CLI is clean and versatile. It integrates with Python for automation, powers chat via OpenWebUI, and supports models from 4 GB to 70B. No built-in GUI, but it's lightweight and developer-friendly. Pros, cons, and comparison. Pros: blazing speed, zero cost, full privacy, and open source. Cons: no native GUI, Windows setup is fiddly. Versus LM Studio, Ollama's leaner, but less beginner-friendly. Hugging Faces Cloud is easier, but less private and pricier. Recommendation: Ollama's a gem for coders and privacy buffs needing fast, local AI. Add OpenWebUI for a slick interface. If you want a GUI or Windows ease, try LM Studio. For most, Ollama's power wins. Love Ollama? Comment below. Grab it free and test it out. Like, subscribe for more AI reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.